Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about a very famous website which is Wix.com, where you can easily create your website and you can easily run your business. But before all the things, you have to create your account first, and just simply you have to go on Wix.com. Here you have to search for Wix.com. Just simply click on it and you have to go with the official link of Wix.com. Just simply click on the link. Okay, once you reach to the website, then you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you have to go with this get started button. If you have already an account, then you will go to the login, and if you don't have and you are creating your account for the first time, so then you will go with the get started button. Just simply you have to click on it, and here you have to sign up with Wix.com. You can sign up by your email address, then you have to confirm your email, then you have to create your password and then confirm password, and then you will go with this sign up button. And you can go by this way, and if you don't want to fill out all these boxes, then you can go with this continue with Google button. Just simply you have to click on it. So guys, as you can see, my account has been signed up, or my account has been created on Wix.com, and now you can create your website very easily and you can start your business today. So this is how to sign up on Wix. Hope you guys will like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.